Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Do not attempt to remove or permanently disable emergency dialing on any keypad phone. Disabling emergency dialing can endanger you or others during real emergencies. Many jurisdictions and manufacturers legally require emergency access, and altering those functions may be illegal. Instead, consider safer alternatives such as adjusting lock settings, updating official firmware, or using approved parental controls. Always prioritize safety and legal compliance when handling emergency call behavior on any device. First, enable the phone's auto keypad lock and increase the lock timeout to reduce accidental calls. Second, explore manufacturer parental controls or approved app locks that limit keypad access without removing emergency functionality. Third, check for official firmware updates that address accidental emergency dialing issues and apply them through the maker's support tools. Finally, contact the phone maker or carrier for configuration support or authorized repair, rather than attempting unverified modifications yourself. Document the accidental call behavior with dates and precise steps to reproduce the issue before contacting support. Provide that documentation to the manufacturer, carrier, or an authorized repair shop, and request an official configuration change or repair that preserves emergency access. Ask specifically for written confirmation that emergency dialing remains functional after any change. Finally, keep a backup and restore plan before any official firmware or settings change, and test the phone after service to verify both safety and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.